you think the country in general has, after what we went through with COVID, is set up to handle, a pandemic, God forbid, if it ever came again, or set up to kind of process the information correctly on an outbreak like this? And, did we do damage to trust, for example? Like when we do the story, even this feedback, oh, why are you talking about it so much? Or the opposite, we want to know more. What effect did that have on us, do you think, from a public health standpoint and our own safety going forward?
It had an enormous effect. It's never been a technological problem in the United States. It's really about policy, information, disinformation, and that's only gotten worse. So if there were a pandemic threat, and this is clearly not a pandemic threat, but if there were, many of us worry about how that disinformation ecosystem would make it very, very difficult to actually run a response, especially when you have someone like RFK Jr. in charge of HHS, who actively gives disinformation regarding vaccines, for example. And we worry, would you see another Operation Warp Speed with RFK Jr. as the head of HHS? Probably not. And I think that's one of the concerns that we have a hollowed out CDC. We have a CDC that was initially very reactive here and not proactive. All of that conditions how we respond to the next infectious disease emergency, whether it's hantavirus or avian influenza or whatever it might be.